Hello everyone, uh, welcome to my channel. So, with continuing my DSA series, so today's question is check if the sentence is panagram or not. So, now what is a panagram, right? A panagram is a sentence where every letter of the English alphabet appears at least once, which means that I have been provided with this string called as variable known as sentence, and within it I have a string value, right? And each sentence should be an English alphabet that appears at least once. We all know that there are 26 alphabets in English, so each sentence should return at least once. It should be appearing for at least once. So the numbers can be repetitive, right? It is written at least once. That means it can be more. So you can see that here is, for example, let us check O. O is also here. So how we check that if one time the letter is there or not, means one time the letter is present or not. Okay. So we all know that there are set and unordered set, right? So for we use unordered set where the arrangement or the order is not being decided, right? So we can use that unordered set in this question. So what I will do, in one line only, I will try to finish this question. So let's proceed. What I will do, I will just return an unordered set consisting of the character value will have n dot begin in dot end dot I equals to 26, right? So let me just decode it first what I have done. I have used an unordered set, right? So we know that set is something which only stores unique characters in it, right? So all the unwanted or all the repetitive characters will just vanish or just disappear from this letters, right? What will be left? We will be left with only the letters that are appearing only one time. Like I've already told you that you can see that O here in this brown and O in this over is just repeating, and also in this dog, right? So what it will do, it will just omit two or three of the O's from this uh, means from this sentence, and only be left with only one character. So then it will check here that I'm just from the beginning to end, I'm just putting it into the unordered set, and then I'm checking its size. So basically, we all know that English alphabet has 26 letters. So if the sentence should contain at least all the alphabet for once. Okay, means this this will call pentagram if it has 26 alphabet, removing those repetitive elements, right? So to remove those repetitive elements, I've used unordered set, and after that I'm just finding its size. If its size is equals to 26, then it will be a pentagram. That will be my answer, right? So let's check it. Okay, there is silly mistake I've done. Let's check it now. Let's go for it. Okay, here is another problem here. The reference was Okay, so here is another error which will be size, and here will be parenthesis, right? So yeah, this question is all done. Let's check after submitting. So yeah, 100% on time and acceptance rate to 70 to 79 test cases have been passed. So let me again explain you the question. The question was to check if the sentence is a panagram or not. What is a panagram? A panagram is such a sentence which will return each of its element of the English alphabet at least for once. Means each English alphabet should be present in the sentence, right? So we know that in 26 elements, right? 26 letters in English alphabet, right? If we just remove the unwanted repetitive elements, we can just check its size if it's equal to 26 or not. Then I will just return. So that's only what I have done here. I have used unordered set. By using unordered set, I have just removed those unwanted or repetitive elements, right? English alphabets. Then what I have done after that, I have just put the size of it to know whatever the size of it is. If after removing the unwanted elements or unwanted alphabets from the string, I am getting 26 letters, which is equals to 26. Means it compares that whether the 26 is equals to 26 or not. Yes, it's true. So then it will return true for panagram. So this was all about the question. If you like my concept and the way of approaching the question, please do like, share, and subscribe. And